Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So have you lost access to your old SIM card but still want to recover your WhatsApp account? Whether you changed numbers or your old SIM just stopped working, don't worry, in this video I'll walk you through how to get your old WhatsApp account back and of course start messaging. So guys, firstly you need to check if you're still logged in on any other device. So for that you need to go to the settings, account, change number and update your account to a new number. So the way this is done, it's very easy. You have to do this on the phone. I'm just going to show you the steps on PC, but make sure to do this on the phone. So you go to settings, then you go to account, and in here, as you can see, there is nothing, but on the phone you will have an option that I will also show on the screen right now to change your phone number. Okay, and the second step is going to be contacting the WhatsApp support. So for that you go to contact, then you press to contact us. So in here guys, as you can see, you'll have to fill the information, which is very easy, just your phone number, email address, confirm it, how to use WhatsApp, and of course your message below. And in this, you just need to basically explain your situation and let them know that you wish to basically recover the access to your account. And of course, make sure to let them know which data you have, whether you have access still to the phone number tied to that account, email, etc. And also they might ask some additional questions. And guys, after that, the next step. So for the next step, you will have to prove your identity. WhatsApp may ask you to verify your identity, and this could include your phone number, a last backup date, and a device used. Also, any linked email. So this helps them confirm that you're the rightful account owner. And after that, guys, once verified, WhatsApp may suggest you register your account on a new number. And after this, your old chat backup can be restored during setup. So that's how you can recover your old WhatsApp account without needing your SIM card. And guys, of course, if this helped, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and of course, leave any comments below if you have any. Thank you for watching.